Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thelma. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and do not forget to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, you know what? Thank you for staying with this channel until this far. And yeah, you know, I love you guys. I really do, and I really do. So today I am shooting a video about my shopping. First time shopping for this babies. First time after good 20 weeks. So as you already know that I'm expecting twins and the gender is a boy and a girl. I'm feeling so blessed, and yeah, it's time to prepare for them. So I went to shopping, and I'm going to show you the items that I got at the shops. The reasons why I got them is I have a booklet from from Baby City. From Baby City, yeah, a hospital bag type of thing. So I'm preparing the hospital bag first. So all the items that I needed there. So I got that list from Baby City, and I didn't go to the hospital yet. It's too soon, it's too early, and all that. I can't even talk to my doctor about that. So I just like, let me Google or what, like find out where can I get at least an idea. I'm a first time mom, first time pregnancy, first time everything. So then I got that book, and then I had to check. Now I went to shopping. I started shopping. First items that I ever bought, sorry, are from Ackermans. As you know that I'm expecting twins, so I am buying everything in twos. So yeah, this is what I got for my little ones. So yeah, this is the first items from Ackermans. Second, Hello Kitty. This is a hoodie and a socks or shoes, whatever you call them. This is what I got. And happy kakrali the vest. The vest I bought them got a newborn. But the funny thing, Corey, I'm finding these things very tiny. Yo, newborn. I'm asking myself for first time, mom. Don't laugh at me. Yeah. Two vests. I'm buying everything in twos. In twos. So I got the neutral colors from Ackermans. So yeah, I bought the receiver. It's a Madly 2, gray and white. I bought two as well. This one here floated because put too luch. Yeah. So all neutral, had gender specific. And then I went go Woolies. Anyway, I bought this rompas. The baby grow, a boy and a girl. Sorry. Dusty pink. Whatever color is this? Light blue. Yeah, turquoise and dusty. Yeah, so this is what I got. Go Woolies. First items, guys. First items. I just wanted to show you my shopping. And I went go Edgar's. I bought the vest. Baby girl did not read. Baby girl. The me. I bought the Tamaka 33. So get this gray, this white, this dark gray. Long sleeved. Mugelo regular pediager, but long and short. I mean short and long. I don't know what regular long or short, but it's regular the me. So it's the same colors, but this is short, and the same colors, this is long. These are from Edgar's. These are my delete 3. And errors for the boys. Khantika leona itlang shini. Leona ke turquoise. So it's for the little men. These are my daily two. And this wooded towel. This is for the little girl. This is for the little boy. They're all from Edgar's. And they're saying you can't just buy any bottles. You must wait for them to figure out which one do they prefer, blah blah blah. When I check YouTube, internet, and other moms, they're saying you should, the brand, sometimes it could be the problem, but most of the time I don't like this, guys. I don't like this kind of blankets, honestly. I don't know why. I guess what didn't really in and all that, but I don't like them. But I got one instead of two, but I have to go back and get the second one because niggas have gray color, but I don't know why I got them, but I have to have them, right? So these are my items, and since while I'm expecting twins, I know that I have to get a bag and a big bag. This is what I got. I loved this bag. I got this bag from Mr. Price. It was $180. It's just a normal weekend, something like that. Yes. So this is what I got to pack all the things for the hospital for the little ones. So I was just showing you what I got, and the bottles I got two. Oh, I also got a pacifier from where Ackermans. I got one. Why? I don't know why, but yeah, I got one. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you so much. We are 21 weeks, so we are 21 weeks today, and yeah, we are excited about starting this business of buying, and I'm super excited. Like, we are super excited, and I'm grateful. Oh, here's another bottle. This is also from Ackermans. I think all the bottles are from Ackermans. I checked the lid, and it is very soft and very small opened. Regularly a one. I bought one, so I know it will collect a little bit by bit, and until I got to have everything. So I'm super excited. That is it from this video. Please don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, and yeah, just show us some love. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Let's grow together. And yeah, I love you guys. I am super excited. I will keep on showing you everything, and I also need some advice. I need some advice from moms or moms to be, of what I should get, of what I shouldn't even like buy at all. Because now all these things that I bought, they're on the list from hospital back. The list I got it from Baby City, and I'm trying to buy everything that is needed for the hospital. And then yeah, so please give me some advice of where I can get where or what I should get. Yeah, I love you guys. Bye for now. Before